2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, lane departure warning, stability control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.